Hey guys, so we have a quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6. So this is the best Apple Watch you can get, besides some of the bands. Now this costs $400. So it has a brighter always on display, a blood oxygen reader, and it's also faster. Alright, so pretty nice presentation. So this part is the watch. Alright, so we have the watch. Just gonna try not to rip it. Designed by Apple in California. So just some instructions. We got the charger. Now this year we don't have the power adapter, but let's see. This is USB, and the other side is a charger. This part gets placed on the watch. And we also have the band. So there are a lot of different variants of this. You guys see right here, this is my version. But yeah, I mean, you can get like a really expensive gold version, but I just went with the dark blue. Alright, so just be sure to remove these stickers. Looks and feels pretty nice. But again, guys, I mean, there are definitely more premium options. So this should just slide in like this. The other part right here. Yeah, so pretty simple. Yeah, it's just adjusting it some. And sorry about that alarm going off. But yeah, I mean, pretty nice size screen. Yeah, so I just put my iPhone up to it and press continue. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have some more videos in the future, but so far it looks pretty nice.